Hello, everyone! Welcome back to another exciting lesson, and welcome to episode 10 of our English speaking course. If you've completed the first 9 episodes, congratulations! You've already built a solid foundation in English grammar, vocabulary, and everyday conversations. Absolutely! But today, we're taking another step forward. This lesson is designed for learners who don't just want to speak English, they want to sound fluent, confident, and natural. Have you ever noticed that native speakers rarely use very simple words all the time? That's true. Instead of saying things like good, bad, happy, or sad repeatedly, they often use richer vocabulary, idioms, and expressions that make their speech more interesting. And don't worry if these expressions seem new. Every advanced speaker was once a beginner. Exactly! The secret isn't memorizing hundreds of difficult words overnight, it's learning a few useful expressions and using them naturally in everyday conversations. So, keep a notebook nearby, repeat the examples after us, and try creating your own sentences as we move through today's lesson. Let's begin! Our first expression is one of the most commonly used idioms in English: break the ice.
If you translate it literally, it sounds like someone is breaking frozen water.
But that's not what it means at all. Break the ice means to make people feel relaxed and comfortable when they first meet or when a situation feels awkward. Imagine you're attending your first day at university.
Nobody knows each other and everyone is sitting quietly.
Then one student introduces themselves and tells a funny story.
Suddenly, everyone starts laughing and talking.
That student broke the ice.
Here are some examples.
Our manager started the meeting with a funny question to break the ice.
The teacher organized a short game to break the ice on the first day of class.
I smiled and introduced myself to break the ice.
This idiom is useful in interviews, meetings, classrooms, parties, conferences, and even family gatherings.
Instead of staying silent, breaking the ice helps everyone feel comfortable.
Now let's upgrade a very common word. Instead of always saying expect, try using anticipate.
Anticipate means to expect something before it happens, often because you think it is likely.
It sounds much more professional and sophisticated.
Listen to these examples.
We anticipated heavy traffic, so we left home early.
I didn't anticipate so many people attending the event.
Scientists anticipate major improvements in renewable energy.
Notice that anticipate is often used in business reports, presentations, news articles, and professional conversations.
Instead of saying, I expect good results, you can say, I anticipate positive results.
That immediately sounds more advanced.
Here's another expression that native speakers use quite often: hit the nail on the head. This means to describe something exactly correctly or identify the real reason for something.
Imagine your team has been discussing a problem for an hour.
Finally, one person explains the real issue perfectly.
You can say, you hit the nail on the head.
Here are some examples.
You hit the nail on the head when you said confidence is more important than perfection.
My teacher hit the nail on the head while explaining why students struggle with pronunciation.
Your answer hit the nail on the head.
This idiom is excellent for discussions, debates, meetings, and even casual conversations.
Let's learn a beautiful adjective.
Insightful.
Insightful means showing deep understanding or thoughtful ideas.
Instead of saying, that was a good comment, say, that was an insightful comment.
She asked several insightful questions during the interview.
His article contains many insightful observations.
Your presentation was both informative and insightful.
Notice how one advanced word instantly makes your English sound more educated.
Native speakers love using words like insightful in academic, professional, and formal conversations.
Have you ever worked on a group project?
Sometimes everyone understands the task differently.
That's where today's expression comes in.
On the same page.
It means everyone shares the same understanding or agreement.
Imagine your manager explains a new project. Before anyone starts working, she says, let's make sure we're all on the same page.
Here are more examples.
Before we continue, let's make sure we're all on the same page.
My business partner and I are completely on the same page.
Good communication keeps the whole team on the same page.
This expression is extremely common in offices, universities, and business meetings. Now let's replace another basic word. Instead of saying very careful, use meticulous.
A meticulous person pays attention to every small detail.
They don't rush.
They carefully check everything.
Listen to these examples.
The architect was meticulous while reviewing the building plans.
She is meticulous when editing her writing.
His meticulous preparation helped him succeed.
Employers often describe excellent workers as meticulous because they produce high-quality work. Sometimes bad things eventually lead to good opportunities.
English has a wonderful expression for this.
A blessing in disguise.
Something appears negative at first, but later turns out to be beneficial.
Imagine you miss a flight. At first, you're disappointed. Later, you discover the flight was canceled due to severe weather, and you were able to travel safely the next day.
Missing the flight became a blessing in disguise.
Here are more examples.
Losing my first job was a blessing in disguise because I found a much better one.
Failing that exam became a blessing in disguise because it motivated me to study harder.
Native speakers often use this idiom when reflecting on life experiences.
Before we finish part 1, let's practice together. I'll say a situation, and you think about which expression fits best.
Situation 1. Everyone is quiet at the beginning of a meeting.
Which expression fits?
Break the ice.
Excellent. Situation 2. Your friend explains the exact reason why you're making mistakes.
Hit the nail on the head.
Correct. Situation 3. Your entire team understands the project clearly.
Everyone is on the same page.
Perfect. Situation 4. Someone checks every tiny detail before submitting their work.
They are meticulous.
Exactly. Situation 5. Something bad eventually leads to something wonderful.
That's a blessing in disguise.
Fantastic! You're already using advanced English like a confident speaker.
Keep practicing these expressions throughout the week. The more naturally you use them, the more fluent your English will sound. In part 2, we'll learn even more advanced idioms, sophisticated vocabulary, collocations, and realistic conversations that native English speakers use every day.
Welcome back! If you've reached part 2, you're doing an amazing job. Remember, every new expression you learn brings you one step closer to speaking English naturally.
That's right. Let's continue with another expression that native speakers use all the time. The ball is in your court.
This idiom comes from sports, but today it's used in everyday conversations.
It means it's your turn to make a decision or take action.
Imagine you've sent a job application, completed the interview, and answered every question.
Now there's nothing more you can do.
The company has to decide.
You could say, I've done everything I can. The ball is in their court now.
Here are more examples.
I've shared my proposal. The ball is in your court.
We've apologized for the mistake. Now the ball is in their court.
This expression is very common in business meetings, negotiations, and personal discussions.
Let's learn a word that successful people are often described with.
Resilient.
A resilient person recovers quickly after facing difficulties or failures.
They don't give up easily.
Imagine someone fails an important exam.
Instead of quitting, they study harder and pass the next time.
That person is resilient.
Listen to these examples.
She remained resilient despite many challenges.
Successful entrepreneurs are usually resilient.
Children are often more resilient than adults realize.
This is an excellent word for interviews, motivational speeches, and professional conversations.
Congratulations on completing episode 10! Today, you've learned advanced idioms, powerful vocabulary, and natural expressions that fluent English speakers use in real conversations.
Remember,
Fluency doesn't come from memorizing thousands of words. It comes from using the right words confidently and consistently.
This week, choose at least 5 of today's expressions and use them whenever you speak or write in English. The more you practice them in real situations, the more naturally they'll become part of your vocabulary.
If you enjoyed this lesson and found it helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new episode.
In episode 11, we'll explore even more advanced English with sophisticated phrasal verbs, high-level collocations, and natural conversation patterns that will make your English sound even closer to that of a native speaker.
Thanks for learning with us today. Keep practicing, stay curious, and remember that every conversation is another opportunity to improve.
We'll see you in episode 11.
Until then, take care, keep speaking English every day, and goodbye.